We will now create our categories section. This is also a responsive grid with 12 items. We can see initially everything is stacked on top of each other. Then when it reaches the tablet size, it turns into a 2-column grid and then a 4-column grid, just like the section from before. So this has a main heading and some heading acting as links and some text. So quite simple. In our code editor, we scroll down and go right after our stackable grid here. And first we create the divider. I don't know if you saw that, but we have this divider right here. We use a div tag with the classes UI and divider. And close our div tag again, so it's just an empty tag. Then we add our H2 heading, and like last time we want this to be center aligned and huge, so we add the classes UI center aligned huge header. And the text categories, close our heading element again. Now we'll create yet another stackable grid using a div tag with the same classes as before, UI stackable grid. And we'll create our first column. It's also the same as before, so it is 8 white tablet, 4 white computer column. Now we can create our actual content, so we add an H3 heading element, center aligned, using the classes UI center aligned header. We create an anchor tag around the text with an href attribute with the value category.html, which is a page that we're going to create later, and the text category heading. We close the anchor tag and our heading tag as well. Then we add a paragraph element, and I'll paste in some random text here. Now we want 12 of these, so I'll paste this in 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we should have a total of 12. Let's go to the browser, select the right tab and refresh. Now we see all of our 12 items here in our grid. One last thing that we want to do is to add some spacing around our UI divider here in the top and bottom. We can see that on the finished page it has more spacing above and below. So inside of our code we'll add some more custom CSS in the top here. We'll target the UI divider, so an element with the classes UI and divider, and we'll set the margin top property to 2 rem and the margin bottom to the same 2 rem. Let's save this, go back and refresh. Now it looks fine.